has been a minute since the last video. I think that we had this same snow in the last video, but it's gotten so crunchy and hard and slippery. Every day is a danger walking out to the birds. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Of course, you know, you can tell where the septic is. All of those things. Good grief. Okay, wish me luck getting through the slip part. This is the slippy part. Fingers crossed. Fingers. Oh, 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 oh. I can do it. Slippy slip. Slippy slip. I'm doing it. Okay. And then over here. It's too early to put the birds to bed. They'll have about another hour of playtime. The chickens will flat out refuse till it actually starts getting dark. Okay, that's better. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Slippy slip. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Slippy slip. You can tell where we walk most, because that's the part that gets slippery. Oh. I think it got up to, oh gosh. I think it got up to 26 degrees today, Fahrenheit. Up to. Hi, ladies. How are you doing? Fantastic? Oh, gosh. My path gets really slippy. Hi. Hello there. How are you doing today? You're looking a little bedraggled. Have the geese been picking on you because they're jerks? Hey, bud. We've lost, I think, 2 bunnies because they get outside the fence and then we don't know. Something gets them. I don't think it's the dogs. I think it's more likely a raccoon could be, or maybe possibly a skunk. They're not very nice. Or bobcat could be coming around. Hi, Randy. But anyway, so also we had 2 baby bunnies, but one baby bunny died. There might be more because I think they've got them underneath the coop. Hi, ma'am. Hi, you're not one of them. Oh, look at her go. They have got little tunnels and escape routes everywhere. Hi, ma'am. You're pretty. You're a pretty girl, aren't you? Yeah. I wonder how they tell the people that you buy bunnies from. How do you know if it's a girl bunny or a boy bunny? They've got so much fur. I don't know. Hi. Oh, you're half and half. Look at you. Your face is, anyway. Your face is half and half. So pretty. Don't worry, you guys. I'm not bringing you in yet. Hi. The chickens are making dust baths. That's nice. Ew. Hi, Millie. Hi, Ellen. We got 2, 4, 6, 8. Hey, there's 2 eggs in here. Oh, that's a pretty one. Huh. Any more? Maybe. They've kind of stopped laying in this one. And up there, there's one. And number 4 up here yesterday. Oh, there's 2. Oof. I love those dark brown ones. They're so pretty. They're smaller than their lighter brown counterparts, though. What was that? Now I lost count. 5? I don't know. What's you doing, Randy? Oh, I didn't bring any treats down this time. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's such a good boy. He does the, here I've got food, cluck, cluck, cluck thing when I bring treats down for them. The ducks slide down that little hill. It's a slidey hill. I don't walk on it because, you know, I'll die. See? Slippy slip. Slippy slip. Yay. How y'all doing out there? Hi, Lenny. You're okay. It's alright. It's not bedtime yet. 4, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 6, 8. 8 geese, 8 ducks plus Millie, 14 chickens. We're not going to let Lenny send on... She's so loud. I'm not going to let Lenny sit on any eggs this year because 8 geese is already too many. Too many. But we love them all. Mm-hmm. We do. Anyway, let me go see if there's any bunnies currently in the bunny hutch. I haven't checked that for a little while. No chicken, no chicken. See, there's a tunnel. Let's see. Is there any bunnies in here? Big bunnies? Baby bunnies? No. Looks like they haven't even been in to eat their carrots. Silly things. Oh well. Oh, there's a bunny. Look at you being all camouflaged. Look at you. Hi. So what is that? Oh, that's the one that came underneath the fence. So it's 2 bunnies I'm seeing. The rest, I believe, are probably under the coop. Anyway. Okay, so that's what's going on here. Nothing much. Isn't that right, ma'am? Nothing much, huh? Hi, you. Not Ellen. I forgot her name. Blanche. Are you Blanche? Yeah. Blanche. Hi. Aren't you pretty? She's our biggest chicken, I think. I think she's even bigger than Randy. Are you bigger than Randy? I think you are. I don't know what kind of chicken she is. They like the pond because the water in the pond is a consistent 40 degrees Fahrenheit, summer and winter. So in the winter, they like it because it's warmer than the air. And in the summer, they like it because it's cooler than the air. It works out well. You just sitting there, bud? Huh? Pretty bun bun? Alright, well, I'm heading back up. I will see you all, or talk to you all later. Probably not later today, but I'll try not to let it go as long as last time. Well, hello, Shadow. Hello there. Well, yes. So we head back up to the house. He's got the thickest fur coat of all the cats. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll talk to you later.